Fitness Tracker Test, FTT, has dug up some exciting details about the upcoming Fenix E and Fenix 8, the successors to Garmin's popular Fenix 7 series. These new smartwatches are already creating buzz even before their official release. First spotted online thanks to a Finnish retailer, we got our initial glimpse into what Garmin has in store. Although Multitronic kept the visual details under wraps, they did spill some intriguing specifications. Then, an authorized Garmin dealer in Iceland dropped more hints, reinforcing the excitement around these releases. One major change is the shift in sizing. The Fenix 8 will feature a 43mm case, up from the 42mm of the Fenix 7S. Garmin seems to be simplifying their lineup by dropping the S branding entirely. So, the successor to the Fenix 7S will simply be known as the Fenix 8. Now, let's talk about displays. The Fenix series is set to receive a major upgrade with the introduction of AMOLED displays. This is a big leap, mirroring changes we've seen in the Forerunner series with the Forerunner 265 and 965. For those who love the current display technology, don't worry. The Fenix E is expected to come with memory in pixel (MIP) displays, ensuring a balance between innovation and familiarity. Garmin has kept the official reveal date under wraps, but the buzz points to a launch in late August or early September. Curious about more leaked specs and possible Eurozone launch prices? Click on the iCards for all the juicy details in our previous video. Stay tuned as we unravel more about these exciting new releases and prepare for Garmin's next big move in the smartwatch game. Thanks for watching. Peace out.